Hello, very good morning from Luxembourg. This week, I am attending the ROOMS meeting. ROOMS is the acronym that stands for Radon Outcomes on Mitigation Solutions. So it's a classical radon mitigation meeting here in Europe, where experts on radon mitigation gathered in order to share experiences on practical mitigation works. So yesterday the meeting started, and we had a very busy day actually. Presentations in the morning and after lunch, and we ended the day with a fantastic dinner. Some remarks from yesterday's meeting. The meeting started with a presentation by Antoine Kies. Antoine Kies is a professor at the university in Luxembourg, and I remember first time I met Antoine in 2006 when I was a PhD student. He made very interesting presentation about radon program in Luxembourg and different issues about radon dynamics and connection between radon and gypsum's mine. We continue with presentations from the UK, presentations also from France, and after the first roundtable discussion, we had two presentations in a row from Joël Gouget from Freiburg in Switzerland and Katia Koenig from Slovenia. After the lunch, we had an invited speaker presentation from Canada. Colin Dumais from Canada, from the company Radon West, came here to Europe in order to show us a system to work with the pressurization of the soil in order to remove radon from home, to get the radon down. Thank you very much, Colin and Karen, for making through all this long trip from Canada to Luxembourg and stay this week with us. We really appreciate that. And I would like to finalize this video summary with one remark. So the last presentation of the day was about radon in Luxembourg, a little bit of history about the radon programs in Luxembourg, and in the notes of this video you will find a link to the radon map of Luxembourg. In Luxembourg, radon measurements are provided by the authority and everybody can order the radon test, and I encourage you to visit the link to show the radon levels in the country of Luxembourg and a lot of other information, geological information, touristic information, many other things. So, one last point. We had a conversation yesterday during the meeting in order to think if it is necessary to start to organize like a roundtable discussion in future radon events in order to discuss this topic. Is it radon the main leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers, the primary leading cause, the second leading cause, how to tackle that, how to make the message easier for the public. So I'm pretty sure we will look into this topic in the future. So thank you very much for watching the video, and please stay tuned in for my next video with the summary of ROOMS the second day. Today we have the second day, and tomorrow you will have the video. Bye bye from Luxembourg.